Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to record YouTube Shorts and how to create YouTube Shorts and upload it on YouTube. YouTube Shorts are videos that are recorded in portrait format, which is 9:16. The normal video we upload on YouTube are always 16:9, which is landscape format, but YouTube Shorts are 60 seconds video or less than 60 seconds video that you record in 9:16, which is portrait, not landscape. This is 16:9 and this is 9:16. So YouTube Shorts are being recorded in the normal phone format, which is 9:16, and you upload it the same way you upload every other videos on YouTube. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create your videos in 9:16, but it must be 60 seconds or less than 60 seconds video. This kind of videos always appear on your YouTube channel like stories, stories that you put on your Facebook and every other social media like Instagram or Facebook. That is how it appears on your YouTube channel. Before you create your YouTube Shorts, you must first of all specify the aspect ratio, which is 9:16. This is 9:16 portrait. Click on 9:16 before you import your video. I'm going to import videos now from a folder called Shorts. This is Shorts. Now if you watch, this is a video that is made in 9:16 and this is 16:9. If you import these two videos now, let's see, this is 9:16 and this is 16:9. If you import this video, it will tell you to match to media or keep the project setting. I have to keep the project setting, but what I imported in this software is 16:9, not 9:16. So it's not going to be long. Watch. See the way this video is now. You can see some black empty space here. So let me import 9:16 so that you see how 9:16 is. Keep project setting. This is 9:16. As you can see, 9:16. So before you import any video, you have to go and define your aspect ratio. Select 9:16, which is portrait. Then after you do all your editing and every other thing, you go and export the video. Automatically, the software will still export it in 9:16. Select you want better or you want best. Best is more heavier. If you select best and say okay, if you watch here, you will notice that the size of the file is going to produce is 930 MB, almost 1 gig. But if you select good and say okay, the MB is going to be less. You see, it's 565. So you specify which you want. You can still specify if you want the encoder to be MPEG-4, which is MP4 video, or H.264. Whichever one you specify, YouTube allows it. So when you're done exporting your video, what you need to do is go to YouTube and click on upload video. Once you click on upload video, the normal way you used to upload YouTube video, source for the video, location. Let's go here. Let me go to Shorts, 1 minute video. This is 1 minute video. Double click on it. Once it's finished uploading, describe the video, put the title of the video, put description, every other thing. Please note this, whenever you upload a vertical video, which is a video that is in 9:16 format, portrait format, which is YouTube Shorts, for YouTube to recognize it as a YouTube Short, you must have to put #shorts in your description or in your title, anywhere in your title. Is either in your description or in your title or in both title and description. Still put hashtags in the video. Every other thing the same way you upload, but make sure that when you're editing your video, you watch the timing, that it does not exceed. At this point, it has exceeded 1 minute. So what you're looking is 60 seconds video. So if you're editing, you use this to check how many minutes your video is. This is 54 seconds, so it shouldn't be more than 60 seconds or 59 seconds. So this is how you create your YouTube shorts, add everything you want and upload. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please consider smashing the subscription button and also hitting the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Aswa Ikenna Kingsley. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.